Hi guys, it's me Jimmy and Geek. What's going on? In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the abbreviation and the acronym element. Normal, we like to use the short form. No one want to say like PlayStation 4. We just say PS4. No one want to say like hypertext markup language. We used to say HTML. We always like to use the shorter form. Now let me teach you how to use the abbreviation element. For using the abbreviation element, first you have to declare the P element. We are going to use the abbreviation element inside the P. So now that's for the P, and then we are going to use the element called ABBR, and then you have to use title equal. Basically you have to give the full name. What is the full name of PlayStation PS4? It's called PlayStation TATION PlayStation 4 is the full name, and then close. Now we are going to make another closing ABBR element, the tag to complete as an element. Save and then refresh. Nothing happened. Why nothing happened? Basically, let me make it clear. Basically, we have just declared the ABBR element, and then we have given the full name of PlayStation 4, but we have didn't given the short name. Short name is PS4, right? Save and then refresh, and then now you can see PS4. Can you see or not? When you hover over the PS4, you can see PlayStation 4. Can you get or not? Like, it's PlayStation 4. Some people don't have to just Google what do PS4 stand for. They can just hover over it and then see, oh, it's PlayStation 4. So that is how you use the ABBR. It's very freaking simple. Before HTML5 in HTML4, we use another element. Basically, we use the acronym element to spell the full acronym. But now you can even use the ABBR for the acronym. It's up to you. Basically, so my personal opinion is that use the ABBR, but if you want to use the acronym, still you can use in HTML. Let me show you the acronym display a label instead of displaying just a text. Let me show you. You have to spell full acronym. ACR, forgive me, basically I think acronym, no, ACRONYM, I think so. Acronym, yes, correct. You have to given the same thing like title. Like in this, we have to the same thing. We'll put like PlayStation 4 here, PlayStation 4 closing, and then we are going to write PS4, and now we have to close with the same acronym ACRONMY. Close. No, there's a spelling mistake. ACRONMY. Anyway, I don't know why it's showing me the error. Save, refresh. It's not working. The acronym tag is not basically working. Let me show you again. There was some kind of spelling mistake. Refresh. Let me put a break line between. Normally I always use the ABR. ABBR much better for the abbreviation. Even I use for acronym. I never use the acronym. Why? HTML5 do not support very well. Still it's not working. I think, yeah, it will not work. Indeed, it will not work. Stop working in HTML5. Now let me see. Do really they have stopped working? Basically, one thing I know for sure, acronym is stopped working in HTML5. In HTML4 we use, but yes, it stopped working. Basically, if you can see that we are using the HTML5, HTML doc type stand for HTML5 declaration, so it will be stop working. You can see acronym tag in not supported in HTML. Now let me basically remove this one and then just try to make the normal HTML4 document and then refresh. No, it will not work. I have to declare HTML4. Anyways, So this is how we used to do the acronym back in HTML4. For example, if we are using HTML4, I mean acronym, instead of just hovering over it, I mean like this, they will be display a label in yellow color. Inside it will display PlayStation 4. So that's for acronym or abbreviation. In HTML5 we use only ABBR element for both for abbreviation and then for the acronym. So subscribe to my channel, but always use the ABBR for the short form. For example, you are just, I mean, writing your name is like pro like, I mean, let me show you. I mean, for example, a lot of people like to use the short form of profess, like prof dot, like Professor Umair. My real name is Umair. A lot of people really don't know me. I think Professor Ramay is much better. My surname is Ramay. Anywhere like this one, I mean Ramay. So I can type here the full form of Professor. 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 Save. Refresh. Now you can see Professor Ramay. If someone hover over it, you can see Professor Ramay. So always use the ABBR element in your HTML document to make it more good. A lot of people still do not use much of the ABBR, and then if you can see, I mean basically you can say the acronym tag and not spotted in HTML5. It's not a tag, it's an element. I don't know who the hell basically make this website, and they use ABBR instead. I mean, of course, I mean we already know that it's not spotted anymore. Anyway, subscribe to my channel. In next tutorial we are going to talk about citation and definition. You'll be thinking that why do I'm teaching single element video by video? Why? Basically I'm teaching you single element video by video, so you can just watch the video for which element you want to know, rather than watching whole tutorial just to find a one single stuff. After I'm done with this HTML5 and CSS3 tutorial, I will make another tutorial how to build a full website and a web application. This is one of the tutorial I'm making to make you prepare how to build a full fledged website. Subscribe to my channel. Upcoming is citation and definition. Bye bye.